Okay, welcome to Rama Science World channel. Okay, so now we discuss about the kinematic equations. Okay, so kinematic equations. Okay, so these kinematic equations only in case of the uniform motion. Okay, so okay, in case of the uniform motion only. So now we consider an object at a position A. Okay, here the u is the initial velocity, and at a time t1. Okay, so this is the initial time, initially 0. Okay, so after time t, this person or this object moves towards B and reaches to B. In this case, final velocity is V. V is the final velocity. Final velocity. Okay, so this is the final velocity. U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity. Here S is the distance. Okay, so distance. Here A is the acceleration. Okay, so now we are derive equations, kinematic equations. Okay, so here initially we know that acceleration means change velocity with time. Okay, so change velocity with the time, here time t. So change in velocity, rate of change of the velocities is called here v minus u by t. T is the time. Okay, so the finally you got the equations v, this equation. So here at, that is equal to, so v minus u. So finally the first kinematic equation, v equal to u plus at. This is the first kinematic equations. Okay, so next one, s. So s is the distance. So okay, now we write that's s is the distance. So we know that velocity, so velocity is the distance by time. So this is the distance means s, time means t. So here the velocity, average velocity. Okay, so that is v plus u by 2. This is the average velocity equal to s by t. So from this equation we write t equal to v minus u by a. So v minus u by a, and here we write here v equal to, so u plus a, that's why we write this one u plus a t plus u by 2 into t. This is s. So okay, from this equation we write s equal to u plus u, 2u plus at by 2 into t. So finally got this equation ut plus of at square. Here s equal to ut plus of at square is the second kinematic equation. So third, so we know that average velocity v plus u by 2, that is equal to s by t. So we know that t equal to from the first kinematic equation, so v minus u by a. So v plus u by 2 into t equal to s. Here v plus u by 2 into t minus v minus u by a. Here s. So finally v square minus u square equal to 2as. This is the third kinematic equation. So these three equations are only in case of uniform acceleration. Okay, thank you very much. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం కైనమెటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా 3. వీటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాం. సో క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, an aeroplane accelerates down a runway at 3.20 meter per second square for 32.8 seconds until it's finally lifts off the ground. So determine the distances traveled before takeoff. Okay, from the problem they are giving a equal to 3.20 meter per second square. A means acceleration. Time 32.8 seconds. S here s equal to ut plus of at square. This formula we are used here. Here initially the aeroplane is in rest. So here initial velocity 0. So we substitute the values. So we get 0 into 3.8 plus 1 by 2 at square. Here substitute the values of a and t square. We finally, so 1.6 means, so that is 1.6 into 32.8 into 32.8. So finally we got the value 1720 meters. This is the distances. Okay, this is another problem. A car starts from rest and accelerate uniformly over a time of 5.21 seconds for a distance of 110 meters and determine the acceleration of the car. So from this problem, so they are giving some values. Okay, the values are, here the car is initially rest. So they are giving time 5.21 seconds and displacement s equal to 110. So here we are using s equal to ut plus of at square. So now we want a. So that's why substitute the all values they are giving, what they are giving. So here 110 equal to 0. Initial easy rest position. That's why we are substitute the u equal to 0. So finally, so we calculate all these values and finally we got the value a equal to 8.10 meter per second square. This is the value of above problem. మీరు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే క్రింద ఉన్న షేర్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. దాని కిందనే ఉన్న రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. దాని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే నా వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతాయి.